Hey there, my name is Lauren Smith and I'm a QA engineer here at QA Wolf. Today I'm going to be presenting a multi-user flow, specifically one where we schedule a meeting between two people on the website Chilipiper. As a little agenda, we're going to start off with user A, Lauren Smith in this case, creating a meeting type. This will be unique to this test run, so it doesn't possibly conflict with other meetings that are already here on the site. And then we will be using Playwright's new browser context to simulate user B, the guest user, coming onto the meeting invite URL and scheduling a meeting with user A. This video will end with assertions that both users have received several notifications that the meeting was successfully scheduled. Let's get started. All right, here we are on the user A's login page, Lauren Smith in this case. We're going to create a meeting type first thing, which is using this link. Let's get that clicked on. And here we have all the tables of created meeting types. We're gonna run this try catch block real quick. This will be a cleanup step. Here at QA Wolf, we really strive to do clean test runs wherever possible. This means that if we created something, in this case a meeting type, in a test, we should make sure to delete it before and after as well, so that a future test run does not deal with duplicate meeting types that could cause errors down the line, increase loading times, not good. So it looks like it passed. We do not have a duplicate, so we're free to go. Let's use this button up here to create a new meeting. We're gonna do Knock on Heaven's Door. Pretty good title right there. And then click Create. Here we are at the created meeting types info page. I run this try catch block because occasionally there'll be a little pop-up that appears somewhere around the middle. And it's important to clear these because they can interrupt the runner's ability to click on something. Now it's all cleared. We can just assert that everything was created successfully. Like there's a default meeting title that we can check for. I appear here as one of the guests, all that. To finish it off, we're going to add a location and assert that it's saved. Choose a booker. And here it is, a little just saved blurb. And finally, let's make sure it appeared in the table correctly. And there it is, right name and everything, and active, most important. Now it's time to simulate the multi-user flow as user B. So to start off with, we do need to make sure and grab that meeting invite URL so that the user B can use it. So let's go open up our new meeting type and copy it, this booking link right here. And now let's open our new context and go to that page URL. And here it is. We can assert that this looks exactly as we expected. It says pick a time with Lauren Smith. We've got the calendar blurb open. We've got the times that are able to be selected. And now we can select one. It doesn't really matter which one we choose. We're going to choose the 14th. Midnight, why not? Maybe they're dealing with some overseas folks. And we're going to make sure this did automatically move to the almost there page. And finally, we're going to complete this as user B's info. In our case, it's going to be any name, and I'm going to use my own email here with a +1 just to make sure that we're seeing both user A and user B's notifications later on. And now we will submit it. Ta-da! We are meeting! Woohoo! And now that it's all set up with our details here, I get a lot of pings. I just heard them all. Let's see. So we first have this email sent to just user A, lauren@qawolf.com. And this is to, it seems, my Chilipiper Google Calendar saying, hey, you now have a new meeting. And I also received this one. This is to user B specifically, Lauren +1. And this is at my own Google Calendar where I can accept no or maybe the meeting. I also received a Slack notification, just heard that ping. And finally, let's check out user A's Chilipiper calendar. And there it is, Han and Lauren knocking on heaven's door. And the final step is, what if user A decides, nope, I don't want to meet with Han, and we're going to cancel it. So let's click that open button. Here's the meeting info page, and we're going to cancel it. Meeting's been canceled. Now that just went through, I just received an email as user B that says the event has been canceled. And that is the complete multi-user flow using the QA Wolf platform. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.